Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to rename a Jupyter Notebook file. Okay, so let's quickly create a file over here. So in the directory desktop under my project, I'm going to create file new notebook. Okay, you need to select the Python version and click on select. So you can see over here, this is our Jupyter Notebook file and it has got created as an untitled .ipynb file. Okay. Now to rename this, you have to just double click here. You can change the name. I'll give a sample name as file1. That's how you can rename this file. You can also rename this file by clicking on the file menu and you can find here the rename. You can give a new name to it and click on rename. That's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.